Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Temu affiliate program not working. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come to temu.com. So in some of the countries what is happening is that whenever they try to apply for Temu affiliates, it shows the error that this particular affiliates is not available in your country. So if you don't know, then let me tell you that as of right now, Temu is only working in the United States. So regardless of in whichever country you are, you need to make sure that you have selected your country as United States. In order to change your region, you need to just simply click on this flag icon and here click on change country and region. After that, you just have to simply select your region as the United States, and then you just have to try to apply for the affiliate program, and this method would work for you. If this method doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can simply contact with the Temu customer service. In most of the cases, this method will work for you, but if it doesn't, or if you want to seek further information, then you need to click on the support button in the top and then scroll down and select the option of contact us. Once you click on contact us, a dialog box will be opened in front of you where you will be assigned the executive from temu.com. So you just have to talk to them and they are going to help you with how you can sign up as an affiliate for Temu. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.